A Book of Fairy Tales. Dean. Dean's A Book of Fairy Tales, 1977 edition. Illustrated by Janet and Anne Graham Johnstone. Contents: Mother Goose, page 10. Mother Goose. Old Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would ride through the air on a very fine gander. Mother Goose had a house, 'twas built in a wood, where an owl at the door for a sentinel stood. She had a son Jack, a plain-looking lad. He was not very good, nor yet very bad. She sent him to market, a live goose he bought. "See, mother," says he, "I have not been for naught." Jack's goose and her gander grew very fond. They'd both eat together or swim in the pond. Jack found one fine morning, as I have been told, his goose had laid him an egg of pure gold. Jack ran to his mother the news for to tell. She called him a good boy and said it was well. Jack sold his gold egg to a merchant untrue, who cheated him out of a half of his due. Then Jack went a-courting a lady so gay, as fair as a lily and sweet as the May. The merchant and squire soon came at his back, and began to bellabore the sides of poor Jack. Then old Mother Goose that instant came in, and turned her son Jack into famed harlequin. She then with her wand touched the lady so fine, and turned her at once into sweet Columbine. The gold egg in the sea was thrown away then, when a mermaid brought the egg back again. The merchant then vowed the goose he would kill, resolving at once his pockets to fill. Jack's mother came in and caught the goose soon, and mounting its back, flew up to the moon.